Well, hello, friend, and welcome back. I'm Elizabeth. In case you're new here, welcome to my first Christmas Decorate with Me of 2024. And in this video, we're starting out in our cozy little breakfast room right off of the kitchen. And I'm going to be styling this room in a very kind of French country cottage aesthetic. And we're going with a blue and gold / yellow color scheme. I'm excited to get this room all cozy and festive with you for the holidays. And like I said, this is just the first video of my 2024 Christmas Decorate compilation. I'm going to be also sharing with you how I did our vintage gingerbread kitchen and our very traditional English country / Ralph Lauren living room. And I am currently working on our foyer. And I also did some decor in our downstairs bathroom. That's kind of a fun, colorful vintage bathroom. So I have so much to share with you, and it's hopefully going to bring you plenty of ideas and inspiration for what you want to do with your decor this year. All right, let's listen to some of the beautiful music playing, and I'll pop in here and there just to tell you what I'm up to and give you a little bit of extra commentary to go with the footage. Give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't yet. Also, share this with a friend if you know someone who would appreciate this type of content, or even the decor in this video if it would help them in any way. I appreciate you being here, and enjoy. Well, the tree is almost all trimmed, and now we're going to move on to some other elements in the room, such as my little china cabinet. So I'm digging through my bin here of cedar garlands and trying to find the juniper berry garland that I bought off of Amazon last year. I will link as many things as I can down in the description. Most things are from Hobby Lobby. I do have several items from Amazon that you might be interested in, so make sure you check down there under my video description. time to get this little bench here in the breakfast room looking a little bit more cohesive with all of the other decor. I had these really cute pillows on here. I should say pillow covers that I will link down below. I just noticed they're back in stock. They're really cute. They come in 4 different kind of block print fall looking patterns. I really like them, so I'll link them. Maybe you can snag some for your fall decor next year or just for whenever. Anyway, we are just going to put these seat cushions on the back of this bench to make it a little bit more comfortable and to bring in more of the colors in the rest of the room. I wanted to create a simple, really natural looking centerpiece in this beautiful antique bowl. And so I'm just using some cedar picks from Hobby Lobby. I love these. I put these all over the place. I use them as fillers in my garlands to create the shapes I want and to make them look more full. You can use them in trees, anywhere. They just add a really nice, natural look to wherever you're placing them in. But we're going to use them in this bowl along with some blueberry picks, and we're just going to kind of keep it simple. Just make something that can go in the center of the table to bring in some of that greenery and kind of keep your eye moving around the room to all the different holiday decor. This next bit of styling I was most excited to execute because it was something that I had in my mind, just a thought, and it turned out really cute. So I have these little gilded looking basket wall pockets that I thrifted. I have 4 of them all together, but I thrifted them on 2 separate occasions, which was pretty cool. So I just had this thought that maybe I would put them up on my cabinet instead of doing wreaths. But we're going to fill them again with more of the greenery from the centerpiece we just made with the blueberries, and we're just going to hang them with some Velcro command strips. And I love how these turned out. I think they're just darling. So here's an idea for you. If you find these little wall pockets, hang them on a cabinet door or something. And I've even used these as Christmas tree ornaments. I used them on my tree last year, so they're very versatile. going to share with you how I decorated this room for Christmas the last couple of years. They're both very different, so I thought it'd be fun to see just how much you can change things up every year. So let's start with 2022 in my gingerbread candy themed breakfast room. Now let's head into the breakfast room, and in this room I kept things much more saturated with the jewel tones in the navy blues and greens, and I added in lots of wreaths. I really love how this green plaid tablecloth looks in here. It feels very festive to me, but a little bit more masculine, I think, which I like, in combination with some of the florals and the toile. So yeah, I'm just really enjoying the more color in this room, but we're staying in my comfort zone in the blues and greens. But I did add quite a bit of vintage Christmas decor in here with the bottle brush trees. And actually, if you saw this Decorate With Me video, it looks different now than it did then. So the rooms in my house are always evolving and changing on a weekly basis. So you got to keep up with me if you want to know what's going on around here. And you can follow me on Instagram at Old Maple Home, where you can kind of get daily updates and just stay in touch a little bit closer there. Most of the decor in my home is thrifted, secondhand finds, And a lot of my Christmas decorations are as well, like these shiny brights I've been collecting over the years. I hope that you enjoyed decorating with me in the breakfast room and that you gathered lots of inspiration to decorate your own home. It could be a blue and gold or blue and yellow Christmas for you also this year. I think it's very English country, English cottage, French cottage. It's giving me all those kind of cozy cottage European vibes that I love so much. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends, or just on social media, Pinterest, wherever you can. I really appreciate all that you do for me to help me get out there to more eyes on my channel. And we have more Christmas decorating to come, so stay tuned. We'll do another room next, maybe the dining room, maybe the kitchen. Either way, it's going to be fun and a good one. I'm looking forward to spending that time with you and getting creative. So enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.